Wichita Sound Recording Studio, the little studio with the big Nashville sound. Wichita Sound Recording Studio is a fully loaded studio. Every need you have, they've got it right here when it comes to recording. They're located at 13790 80th Terrace right here in Live Oak. Or you can give them a call, 386-205-1031. The big Nashville sound located right here in Live Oak. Check out their website, wichitasoundstudio.com. That's wichitasoundstudio.com. Jerry Guy is your owner and professional engineer, and he is here to take care of all of your needs. So give Jerry a call at 386-205-1031. That's Wichita Sound Recording Studio.